Hello, when we try to shut down the PC, it requires 3 clicks. First, click the Windows icon, second, click the power icon, and third, select shutdown. After the third click, the PC begins the shutdown process. After on the PC, go to New and Shortcut. Here, a wizard opens prompting you to type the location. I've shared the command in the description. This command is for shutting down the PC. Click Next to continue. Then we show the name odd icon, click Finish to create shortcut. Right-click Shutdown Shortcut, then go to Properties. Then open Shortcut Properties. Now we change the icon, pop-up Change icon, click OK. Here open a icon list, we select the power icon then click OK. Then apply and OK for change this. Set the shortcut in your preferred location, in this case, I've placed it on the PC taskbar. Now, try to shut down the PC using the new shortcut icon with a single click. Let's see what happens. Wow, it's working with just one click. Thanks for watching.